You can depend on him. Dito mo naman yan.
Laban nila against San Miguel. Yeah, these three are, well, what a move by Bong Hawkins.
Kung kanilang ikutan ng bola, Hawkins sinakyan na ni Harencio. Sa lakas ng katawan ni Hawkins na ipasok pa rin niya yung kanyang tira.
Mas nasa kanto, narito si Hawkins sa ilalim. Whoa! Penetrate!
He needed that basket to lift up his confidence a little bit. Easy 2 points.
Ito si Bong Hawkins has also developed that through the years.
Hawkins in the middle! Yes! And Nicky Bachman.
At saka si Reyes.
What a move by Hawkins.
Pass first and then shoot next.
Ito si Hawkins, nato si Walkfish. Ano na si Walkfish?
Oh, yes.
Okay, narito si Bong Hawkins, nasa gitna. He struggled in game 5. Final pairing. Bayan na superstars. Here's Hawkins.
Defense. At saka yung value partner of using Ali as a 6-man is that
Camille. 3 to shoot. Hawkins goes up.
yes, on a one-on-one basis, hindi kasi nadodouble pick.
Yan ang the brains nung araw, no? Si Bong Hawkins talagang at low post, ang daming moves, no?